What's up everyone, welcome back, and we are here on the Nike factory store. So today's video I'm gonna share to you what do I do to get ahead with other reseller, especially here on the Nike factory store or sometimes in Nike outlet store. If I wanted to buy more, of if I could get find some better deals or steals. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let's go. Look at those. That purple box right there. Hopefully that's gonna be a good one. So we're just gonna walk around. Let's see what we could find, a potential that we could resell when they do a sale. We could find something here at $69.97 for Air Max Tailwind, $89.97 on this Epic React. How about this Jordan Mars 270, $49.97 also React Presto Grade School, $59.97 on Air Max 270. We got the Renew Run, $44.90, different colorway for $54.99. So this one is good potential for $59.99 of this Kyrie, not bad. For Air Max 98 for $79.97. This one is not bad, $79.97 also on the Air Max 270 React. This one's another potential, $169.97 with the Air Vapor Max 360. We're on Jordan Max 200, $84. And this one also $99.99. This Westbrook, $89.99. Here's another potential, the Aerospace 720, $149.99. This one Mamba Focus, still sitting here, $69.99. This another potential, $69.97 of this Kyrie. Wow, if they had the 30%, this one is not bad to cap on that price already. This one on that a different colorway, $69.97. Another potential if we can pick it up if they're on sale for another 30% off. But this one is not bad. Kyrie S2 $140 retail, LeBron 18. We already here on the Nike factory store, and that colorway is kinda really vibrant. Alright, this one is not bad. We have a colorway of the Lakers colorway. Ooh, if this is gonna be on sale, this is gonna be a good potential profit. And how about another LeBron 18 with a vibrant colorway? This is gonna sit for a while. Well, how about the Soldier SFG retail $140 and they're selling for $99.99. Another Soldier SFG, different colorway. And how about the KD 13 TB? Look at the price, $89.97. That is a huge potential if they are on sale. Zoom Freak 120 retail, a $74.97. Also a good potential if they had a 30% off. And clearance war or the hash wall. We got the Nike React Element 87, $69.97 on Why Not Zero. I want this one, $69.97 on Ledger React Element Shield. We got some Kyrie 6, $109.97. Kyrie Low 2, $69.97. Another Kyrie, $89.97. Another Kyrie Low, $69.97. We got some Jordan Turner, $99.97. Another good running shoes, we got the Zoom Tempo Next Percent, $119.97. Another Kyrie Low 3, $89.97. Kyrie 5, $79.97. Another good ones right here. Check out that purple box right there. Ooh, that's a Nike SB purple box. And back to the car. So you've seen the good ones that I found in the Nike factory store today. This is I always do if I have more time, especially when there's I knew that it's gonna be a good ones. I'll come around in the Nike factory store. I come a day before Wednesday or Thursday, because if there's a sale starting from Friday to Saturday and Sunday, then I already knew that these items gonna be a good ones to buy when the sale started. So I come here on the Nike factory store to scout those good ones that I could find, that I could buy the next day or the incoming weekend. So that's why I always get ahead of the other reseller, because I already knew that the item that I want to pick it up. So the moment, even though we came on time, the same time, the next day, or the day that there's gonna be a sale, I already knew that those items are already good ones to resale, because I already did my research. So when the time comes and when they open the door and we scramble going in with the other reseller, I already knew what spot, where to go, what item that I need to pick it up, what are the sizes I need to pick it up. So these are the advantage going in there, checking out the good ones to buy. So I don't have to pull out my phone, do the research, and then the other reseller just picking up. That's the only thing that I don't want to do rushing myself buying into some sneaker that I might gonna regret soon, because I did that before. Rush myself buying into something because there's a lot of reseller picking up the same item, and then everyone, then they try to resell it, they try to dump the price to very, very low return. So I stopped doing that. So this is what I've been doing, to take advantage, also to take ahead of them. Go into the store earlier, take a picture, take a video, make sure you do your research when you get home. I mean, when you get home, you already done your research, you already knew what are the ones that need to be buy, the good sizes to get, so that you don't have to do your research inside of the store. But then if you are far away from the Nike factory store or Nike outlet store, then the only way you could do, if there's a reseller out there and you already inside, the thing that I've been doing also before is you need to have someone with you, because you need to grab all the stuff that you need to buy and then stock in one place. So this is what I've been doing in the farthest, when I go far away, like when I go to Chicago, Indiana, Tennessee, when I go to different places, is I don't know these people around or the reseller around, and I don't have the time or the day before to do the research. So what I do is, you need to have someone with you. Grab all the items, grab, put in the stock in one place. All usually there's a limit of 10. Grab 10, put it in the set aside, look around, grab, put it set aside. That's all I do before, like grab all the stuff. And then when I already find all the good stuff, and then I sit right there, do the research now. Because the hardest mistake you're gonna do, you stand in one place and do the research, and then you find out it's not a good one, then you're missing the time. You have missing all the time that you need to go around grabbing all the good ones, and you miss the good one that you might gonna get, but then you are standing in one place researching. This is the mistake that I've been done before. If you go around first, grab something. At least if you can't grab them all, grab 2 or 3, go around, grab 2 or 3, then set in one place, do the research. Don't just stay in one place first and research. If you can find it, it's a good deal, then go around again, research. No, don't do that. When you got in there, if you think this shoe is gonna be resale, grab, set aside, go around again, grab, set aside, and then if you're done looking around, then do your research when you're done picking up all the things that you think might gonna resell. if it's not gonna resell, then you could put it back in. So you don't have to waste your time researching on the one shoe, but then you miss the other ones, and the other reseller pick it up already, and you don't have the chance to get, you don't have the chance no more to get a share of the pie, as you could say. So this is the one that I've been doing. So I hope you could learn good things and also the mistake that's been done, especially when you are going not just in your close Nike factory store, or if you're traveling. But then if you don't have someone with you, you could still find a way. Just the main thing is advanced research. If you're close to your area or Nike factory store, going there a day before. And if you can't do that a day before scouting, then go there earlier, the time they are opening, and then don't do the mistake that been done. Okay, so I hope you learned something new on this Nike factory store sneaker invest / scouting. All right, with that said, if you like this video, can you please leave a thumbs up and share to the other someone who knew want to go into sneaker reselling. If you really like it, can you please leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't, please share and thumbs. And with that said, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you